Hi everybody and welcome to LK Lifestyles. This is Laura. Today I'm going to be making one of my easiest and favorite Instant Pot favorites. It is a Paleo, Keto, and Whole30 dish that I make in my Instant Pot, and it's egg roll in a bowl. It uses ingredients that I find in my regular grocery store, so you don't have to go searching all over the place. Coconut aminos are very easy to find. Sesame oil, these are all the flavors that you're going to find in the inside of an egg roll, but you're not going to have the outside of the egg roll, which is probably not paleo. Come on over to your Instant Pot and press sauté, and we're going to melt whatever fat you like. I use bacon fat, but you can use avocado oil or olive oil. And we're going to use plain ground pork. Some of the ingredients, as you'll find below in the description, are garlic and mushrooms, a little bit of coconut aminos, and rice wine vinegar. That is not a shot of alcohol. And we're going to use some sesame oil, garlic powder because it's easy, and a little bit of ground ginger. And a little bit more liquid might be needed for your Instant Pot to come up to pressure, so we'll use a little bit of beef cooking stock. Place your pork in the Instant Pot with the melted grease, and you want to give it a nice chop and stir and let it all get crumbly. You're going to probably have to saute it for about 3 to 4 minutes to get it to this consistency. And once it gets to a crumbly and slightly pink texture, we're going to add some chopped garlic. I don't like to add it at the beginning because the garlic gets overcooked and I still like to taste my garlic. So we're going to just add that in there and give it a little more of a stir. When the pork is done, you're probably going to find that it has quite a bit of liquid in the bottom of it. So I do like to drain the liquid out of it. You drain it in however fashion you need to. But once it gets to this nice crumbly consistency, we're going to add the rest of the sauce ingredients and put it back in the Instant Pot. I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of coconut aminos and a little bit of rice wine vinegar, some sesame oil because that gives it its Asian flavor, ground ginger, I use about 2 teaspoons, granulated garlic, I probably use about 2 teaspoons as well, and then I'm adding my chopped mushrooms on top. Last but not least, we'll add a little bit of beef broth to this mix, and we're going to take this back to the Instant Pot, and we're going to give it a little bit of a stir at this point. It's not really necessary, to be honest, but it combines the flavors a little bit. And then we're going to add the cabbage coleslaw on top, and this is where I do a little bit of cheating because it's so much easier just to buy 2 bags of already chopped cabbage and carrots, which is all that this mixture is. So it remains paleo, but I don't have to struggle with shredding cabbage. You don't want to give it a stir, you just want to leave it right on top because all of that cabbage is going to melt right down. Put your lid on, make sure it's in a sealing position, and come down, and you're going to hit pressure cook for just 2 minutes, and on my model you hit start. This came up to pressure really fast and cooked for 2 minutes. So now I'm going to release the steam, and this whole recipe honestly only took about 10 minutes to make from beginning to end. It was so easy. And as you can see, the cabbage melted down and wilted down, and we're just going to give it a quick stir, and your egg roll in a bowl is ready already. And this is one of my favorite things just to make really quickly on a weeknight, and it feeds the entire family. I actually do use the leftovers for this to make spring rolls sometimes. They aren't paleo, but if you choose to be adventurous, you can try them as well. I'll show you a picture of them at the end. But this is one of my husband's favorite meals. If you like this recipe and you want to try any of my other paleo and Whole30 recipes, please check out my channel, LK Lifestyles, where you'll find a new recipe every 2 weeks. And if you like this recipe, feel free to comment. See, as you can see, those spring rolls do look delicious, don't they? Not paleo, but sometimes you gotta cheat. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.